If you have built a bot on TARS that uses buttons, you might have noticed that under the settings option checkboxes that you can select. Of these, you will notice that the branching checkbox comes selected by default. This setting allows you to send users a different messaging flow, depending on the option that they select. Then the question in which those are set as the potential response has multiple different sockets corresponding to each of the responses that can be connected to different questions. Why is this a thing? We understand that in some cases, you might want all the responses in a given question to direct the user to the same question. For this, all you need to do is uncheck the branching checkbox. Now, regardless of how many options you have provided, the user will be redirected to the same question next. To use chatbots in your own organization, book a free chatbot consultation at hellotars.com/demo or click the link in the video description. Again, that's hellotars.com/demo.